Hi guys and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello and welcome. My name is Megan. In today's video, I'm just going to be doing a little Sunday vlog. I'm very excited. So I kind of got a later start than I wanted to, but it's fine. I just wanted to get the whole kitchen area clean before I started my day. Hopefully it remains clean for the rest of the day. So I just did all the dishes, ran the dishwasher, wiped down all the countertops, and then I made myself some breakfast. I have some apple juice. I love apple juice cold. And then I've been eating these mini bagels with peanut butter. And I also started off my day by writing out the meals that I want to eat for the week and a grocery list, because I haven't gone to the grocery store since getting here. I've been surviving off of what I had, but now it's time to go and get all the groceries that I need. Also, I need to go and shoot some photos in these sweatpants that I got. I also need to prepare everything for launch tomorrow, for Women's Best launch, because I'm gonna have class, so I'm gonna have to post those things when I'm out. I just have a lot of preparing stuff to do. I also think I'm going to Starbucks with my roommates just to do some work, because I feel like I can't be productive here, and I really haven't dove into any of these classes. I don't even think I bought some of the textbooks, so I just feel really unorganized. So I have a lot that I want to accomplish. Hopefully I can accomplish it all while still having a good Sunday, because Sundays are usually a day I like to rest, and I like to do self-care, and I like to relax. So that is budgeted time-wise on my day. I am going to eat my breakfast, and then I think I'm gonna get ready photos in my cute little outfit. I'm gonna be doing some light makeup for these photos because I'm not feeling it. I'm not very well versed in the makeup realm. However, I do try my best, and I think that that's all that matters. Oh yeah, I plucked my eyebrows yesterday, guys, and it was the refresh I needed. Truly, they were crazy. You know when you just keep saying you're gonna do something and you keep putting it off? That was me with doing my eyebrows, because it actually took me 40 minutes with the tweezers. Oh yeah, so yesterday I started watching Emily in Paris. I'm already on episode 7. I really like it. I didn't think I was gonna like it, and obviously I feel with any show you have to adjust to the acting not being as good, because I feel the acting seems bad and then you get used to it and then it doesn't seem bad anymore. But I started watching it yesterday because I was just really bored. I had nothing to watch, and now I'm hooked on it. I love a good drama, but I also like a show where you don't have to be watching every second. I've literally been using this Anastasia brow powder since I was in 8th grade when I first got my eyebrows done. I don't even know how there's still stuff in it. It's so much easier to fill in your eyebrows when they're freshly plucked, because it just goes right in. I feel they did them a little dark, but I'm gonna blend them in now. And then I just used this little NYX eyebrow gel situation, and then I'm actually gonna be using a little bit of blush. I love this one by Ariana Grande, the Rem Beauty. It's giving. It's literally gorgeous, and it's very pigmented. I feel only a little bit goes a long way with it, which is nice. Giving glowy. And then I also am using at the end the Rem Beauty lip gloss in Jelly Sandals. I am obsessed with it. It's so nice and plumping. And then I think the only other thing that I'm gonna apply is just gonna be mascara super fast, and then I'll be ready to go. Okay, so my makeup is done, and I think I'm just gonna leave my hair how it is. I braided it last night. Let's see how it looks. I feel that's fine. Let me show you my outfit. Okay, so these sweatpants I custom ordered. I got them for myself for Christmas, actually, from this girl at the Tim Tim brand on Instagram. So there's this community on Instagram that basically does reworks, and I can't even explain to you guys how much I love reworks, and I think that they're amazing, especially people who are very rooted in sustainable fashion, believing in using every piece of a thrifted piece or an old piece. And that's exactly what she stands for, and so many other girls. There's so many girls in this community that you guys can shop from. They do a lot of live bidding and things like that, but for her I just wanted to do a custom order because I had a very specific sweatpant in mind that I wanted, and she delivered, and I'm so excited. I've been putting off wearing them because I wanted to take photos in them for her to post and for me to post and everything, but I want to show you guys the finished product because I'm shook by them. So my inspo is I wanted sweatpants that were these colors, so I wanted them to match my obsidians, and y'all are gonna be shook. This is what they look like. So they're a patchwork sweat, which is absolutely giving. I've wanted a pair of patchwork sweats for so long. They just have different colors of blue, white, and then this big Nike patch, which I wanted them to be Nike, so I was really glad that she did that. And then they just go all the way down, and as you guys can see, it's just a bunch of scraps from old hoodies, and then an elasticized waistband, and then here at the bottom it's just an old hoodie sleeve. So as you can see, it's very well done. It's so freaking nice. They fit me exactly how I wanted them to fit me, and these are absolutely everything. So if you guys ever want a custom pair of sweats, definitely reach out to her. She's amazing. She's also a college student, and I just have such a big respect for people who do things like reworks, thrifting, buying and selling, their own business, as well as people who know how to sew, because I remember I went through this phase where I wanted to learn how to sew, and I did learn how to sew during quarantine, and it's so freaking hard to just do a single stitch. So I couldn't even imagine doing all these little patches, stitching them together. Please be aware of that whenever you're shopping a small business. That's so much of these people's time and energy and effort. A lot of it is hand done. They run the whole business themselves, and I have such respect for it. So I'm so excited to wear these. I have this mock neck Nike that my boyfriend gave me. It's navy blue. He also does vintage. My thought process is I'm gonna wear it and I'm gonna like tuck it under a bra so that there's a little skin showing so that the sweats can be like the main star. I'll show you what it looks like on. Okay, you guys, I don't think you're ready for the full look, but I'm gonna show you because I have been stalling. I just got my tripod ready to go and I'm gonna go to the parking garage and take photos. Here's the finished look. So I'm actually obsessed. Hopefully you can see it. These sweats are insane, guys. Insane. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Okay, so I'm gonna go and take these photos and then it's like grind day. So this is like the fun part of my day. Besties. Okay, I've been taking photos for way too long, honestly. It was really hard because the lighting is very weird at this time. So I tried to take them like where the parking garage steps are because it's a lot less cold and it's a little bit more like private because there were actually people out here today, which was really weird. But there were these nice ass girls who were taking photos up here as well. And they were like, do you want us to take your picture? And I was like, sure. And then I took some pictures of them. I love girls. But I hope that there were some pictures that turned out. I was using Lens Buddy. I can definitely do a video on how I take my own photos and how I edit stuff and stuff if that's something that people want to see. But yeah, that was fun. I love doing little photo shoots. I am gonna go and go home and then I think I'm gonna, oh God. Hopefully my roommate's almost home because I know she went to Dunkin' Donut. We can get our day started with productivity at Starbucks, really getting a lot of work done. And then once that's done, it's gonna be a self-care kind of night. Katie got me a donut. Oh look, the sprinkles are D's, Katie. Did you notice that? Every fucking time. It's okay, the people seem to love it. What'd you get?
I got ice cream latte.
You're gonna get that and then you're gonna get Starbucks too?
I know, I was kind of thinking about that.
I'm not judging. I changed into a little cozier clothes. I have my slippers on and I'm about to go to Starbucks. We're probably gonna chill there for like 2-3 hours, get a bunch of work done, and then afterwards our little treat is gonna be doing a little mini like shopping and then I have to go to the grocery store. And this part is probably gonna be boring. I'm just gonna be doing a bunch of work. This is Amanda. You guys have met Amanda, not Aspen Dental. Like, what are you doing, Katie?
I'm doing my physics notes.
1 hour later.
You come in and then you go around and then your car gets like you drop off and then you can go back. There's a little bike rack and little benches everywhere.
Oh my god. Architecture queen. Hi guys, I'm about to go to Aldi now. The sun's setting, but I just went to Dick's and Bath and Body Works and got a few self-care items, so I'll show you guys those when I get home. Okay, got everything I needed from Aldi. It was actually really busy at this time. I didn't think it would be. It is 5:40, so I'm gonna go back, unload everything, and then start making dinner. I think I'm gonna have salmon tonight for dinner, and then I'm gonna do my self-care night. And I've been needing to talk to my mom since I got back, just wanting to like check in with her, see how she's doing and everything, catch up with how the school week has went. So I'm gonna talk to my mom when I get home tonight as well. I'm about to head home and have to carry this heavy ass bag all the way up the stairs. It's so cold now. It wasn't as cold earlier. And I also got supplies to make Pop-Tarts. It seems pretty easy, but I'm not sure if they're really gonna taste that good. But I think if I have time tonight, I'm gonna make Pop-Tarts. Hello. I just talked to my mom on the phone for literally an hour, just catching up about the week and everything like that. That was like a nice relaxing hour. We're also going on a trip, her and I, for my spring break to Sedona, which I'm really excited about. So we kind of talked about that and I'm definitely gonna be vlogging that. So I'm super excited. But I wanted to show you guys really quickly what I got from the mall. So firstly, I got these socks because honestly I was in need of more of them. I wear them all the time. I got this coupon from Dick's for $10 off, so it made them like 12 bucks, which is cheap. And then I went to Bath and Body Works, so I'm like a member or whatever, so I get like these coupons, and on the coupon it was a free one of these wallflowers. So I use these in my bathroom. I can't use them in my room here because I don't have a plug that goes vertically, and I'm so excited. I got this candle on Candle Day. I got it, it's actually right here in this new ensemble that I actually got from Target. This whole thing, like this thing from Target, was only $3, and then this little plant was like $1 or $2. And then here I have these two little pictures, which are from my boyfriend actually for Christmas. And then if you know Abu and Simba, you know Abu and Simba. I actually got this in the Roanoke Farmers Market. And then all my little crystals. What I was trying to say is that this candle I really like, so I got another one because I really like it, but when you burn it down it doesn't look as pretty. So I think I'm going to put this one in the display and then burn that one. I prepped the Pop-Tarts, so I'm a little nervous about them. I don't know if they're gonna turn out very well, but I'm about to bake them and then I'm gonna take a shower, probably body scrub, shave, nice lotion, maybe a face mask, and chill. Probably watch Emily in Paris. While I do that, I think I'm just gonna do a bunch of content stuff. I also have to write my client's program for this upcoming week. I forgot to do that earlier. I'm gonna save the rest of the school related stuff for tomorrow, and I also think tomorrow I'm gonna try to work out earlier in the day than usual. So to do that, I think tonight I'm gonna like get organized, set out my outfits for school and for the gym, and have food ready to eat for tomorrow. I'm trying to be very prepared going into this week. Okay, I got this, like, apparently it's called a turby twist. My roommate, I showed her it and I was like so excited about it. And she was like, that's a Turby twist. And I was like, I thought this was like a new invention. I purchased it from this brand. I don't know what it's even called. It's called like Kitsch. I don't know. I over break decided that I really wanted to take my hair care seriously. So I invested in a bunch of stuff. So this was one of the things. So I'm letting my hair like towel dry, and then I have this. It's called K18. I'm super excited about it. It's basically like a hair repair mask, but it's basically like a leave-in conditioner kind of product. It was so expensive. So I'm hoping that it works. So I'll definitely see how this works for me and see if I want to buy like another one. And then I completely forgot that I actually got these also from that brand. These are like satin pillowcases. They were kind of expensive. I feel like I probably could have gotten them on Amazon, but I just wanted to be sure they were the right thing and this brand seemed like reliable. Yeah, I'm gonna start using these. I also got a gua sha. I don't know if I talked about this already. This one is from Sachi Beauty. Oh, I did talk about it. I talked about it in my last vlog. So I'm about to do that while my hair like slightly air dries. And then once it's like partially dry, I'm gonna put in the K18. Okay, I finished the Pop-Tarts and I'm gonna do a taste testing. They don't look great, okay? Don't judge. Well, I guess I shouldn't tip it, but this is what they look like. Okay, so something about me is I don't like to wait for things. So I don't, like when I make a cake, you know, like I don't wait for it to get room temperature before I put the frosting and then it smears. And this was kind of like the same vibe. So that's why it looks like that. And then when I went to put the sprinkles, for some reason the icing pretty much had already dried. So that's why it looks like that. Something about me is I actually don't even know how to use my own camera, but I'm gonna try it. I'm really excited, kind of nervous. I hope it's worth it, but honestly it was like such cheap ingredients that I was like, if it doesn't go right, it doesn't go right. Sorry. Okay. It's actually really good. My concern when making it was that it was going to be a little bit dry because on the inside, like, there was no liquid ingredient to add to the mixture. I wouldn't say it's dry today, but I have a fear that the other ones will be dry throughout the week, if that makes sense. That's what it looks like on the inside. Honestly, this is kind of fire. Like, it definitely is giving, like, high crust taste, but I'm not opposed to it. Because honestly, in normal Pop-Tarts, I don't really enjoy the taste of, like, the exterior. I really only like the taste of the interior and the frosting. I'm gonna give it that's high. 7.5 out of 10. I feel like next time I make them though, they have potential to be a lot better. I'm gonna be a little more patient, a little bit better with the decorations. Not bad at all though. I'll put the link in the description in case anyone wants to make them. Okay, so that is going to be the end of the video because I'm really just gonna watch Emily in Paris until I go to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was honestly really chaotic. I feel like I did like so many random things in this video that you're probably like, what the hell? The Chiefs won today. My dad's team is the Chiefs, so I think I'll wear something Chiefs related tomorrow as like a way to celebrate. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.